Keanu Thompson, everybody.
Grab a White Claw and the in. I love the Dacos.
Kiki. That was a pterodactyl.
Sorry, John. I miss you. What?
I don't want.
It's gonna be really good. I hate Randy!
Stuff. How's it going, baby? She's fine.
Flesh.
Did anyone see that?
I hate it!
What on earth? Well, I never.
How long should I stick it
Get
in?
out, chef.
My pity now, mama.
He's a genius. Because I was, hey, beautiful.
No!
So I did it for Steve, our buddy Glenn, for Bisconti, and Jim Stansel. I went and did all of them.
I just had an orgy with 6 dudes.
Don't mind it. It doesn't bother me.
Stuttering John! Come back to me, please.
Searing hot. Oh God, I hate it.
We've met Chrissy's boobs in life.
Ew, in there? Mow, 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 mow.
School!
Ew, but what they put.
I'm not crazy, Custer, I swear!
Prosciutto.
This is bullshit.
I don't understand.
A chicken.
Twitter, too. If your intention was to shoot an arrow through my heart, John. Bullseye.